So let's learn how to attach asoke to a fabric, to a gown. So when you place your asoke, make sure you place it a little bit above the material. Then you secure it with a pin. When you finish securing it with a pin, make sure you place it very well, and it's it stops at make sure you place it at the middle of the neck, that's at the center of the neck. Then you create a V shape. You fold it in a bit. That's to get this, we're trying to achieve a V-neck pattern. So you fold it in, and then use your pin to secure it. Then you get your pressing iron to iron the asoke, you iron the fold in order to keep the shape. In order to keep the fold we just did, make sure you iron it. This pattern is very easy. It's something you would be happy you learned, something you enjoy doing. It's very easy. So you pick the other edge of the asoke and place it on the neck also, just the way we did the first one, the way we achieved the first one. You place it on the neck of the other shoulder of the cloth, or of the gown rather, and then secure it with a pin. Now you fold your asoke. To be our intention, we are trying to achieve a v-neck. Now you be careful enough so you ensure that the patterns are lined with each other. While folding, be very careful to achieve, because we're trying to, if it doesn't align, then your work will not be neat, it won't come out very well. So you make sure that the patterns aligns properly. You keep folding. Sorry, my camera didn't cover the down part of this work. You just keep arranging until you get what you want. You see it aligning, so you keep folding to ensure it aligns. Don't worry about this part that is showing, it's not an issue, because when you stitch it, it will be covered, it will be properly covered. But just make sure the patterns are properly aligned. So as you're aligning it, you keep securing it with your pin. See the way I'm folding it. So you fold, and then trying to make sure I don't make a mistake, it aligns properly. You just keep doing to ensure you get a perfect outcome. So sorry my camera didn't capture all of this. That's the down part of it. Now I'm using my iron to secure the other part of the fold. Now can you see? The lines are properly aligned. It takes patience in order to get the best outcome. But it's a very easy step. It's something you can actually do, and you'll be glad you went through the process. So I'm trying to align to secure the lines, fold it, because when sewing I'll sew with this fold, with exactly the folds, with the fold I'll get. That's how you get through the iron. I'll sew following the folds in order to get this pattern. So now I'm through. I'm cutting it out. So sorry I didn't cover all of this. When next I'll make sure I cover this properly. So you cut out the excess part of the asoke. So you cut it out from both sides, but you be careful enough not to cut into. You leave some allowance because you have to sew, and when you're done sewing you can now trim the excess. So now I'm done. I have to take it to the machine, and then to my sewing machine, and join it. Thank you for watching. Can you see? So thank you for watching.